Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02297 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Now what I am going to do, I am going to alter the table called person5 and I am going to disable the primary key constraint. Okay, person5 table having primary key. Let me open the person5 table in SQL developer. So this is the constraint name. So I am copying the constraint name. So I am going to disable this constraint. Let me execute the query. Oh, you can see that ORA-02297 cannot disable constraint. Dependencies exist. ORA-02297 cannot disable constraint. Dependencies exist, which means this person5 table has some dependencies, so you cannot disable the constraint. So what is the fix? Either disable the foreign key constraint or use disable the cascade. Okay, let me go to the SQL developer model diagram. So this is the model diagram. You can see that person5 table is referred by another table, so you cannot disable the constraint. Okay,